If WhatsApp is not working properly on your Android device, such as crashing, freezing, messages not sending, or not opening, don't worry. You can usually fix the problem with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Force stop and clear cache. One of the most common causes of WhatsApp issues is corrupted temporary data stored in the cache. Clearing it can quickly restore normal performance. Open your Settings app, go to Apps or Manage Apps. Find and select WhatsApp, tap Force Stop to shut it down completely. Open Storage and Cache tab, Clear Cache. Important, do not tap Clear Data unless you have a backup, as this may erase your chats. After completing this step, reopen WhatsApp and check if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. Outdated versions often contain bugs or compatibility issues. Updating ensures you have the latest fixes and security improvements. Open the Google Play Store or search for WhatsApp. If an update button appears, tap it to install the latest version. Once updated, restart the app and test it again. Step 3. Restart your device. A simple restart can fix hidden system glitches, memory conflicts, and background process errors. Press and hold the power button. Tap restart or power off and turn it back on after a few seconds. After rebooting, check WhatsApp again to see if it functions normally. Step 4. Reinstall the app. If none of the above methods work, reinstalling WhatsApp can resolve deeper software issues. Go to the Google Play Store, tap Uninstall on WhatsApp. After removal, reinstall the app login and restore your backup if available. Following these steps carefully will solve most WhatsApp problems on Android devices. Always ensure your app is updated and your data is backed up regularly for a smooth experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.